Today, I am reviewing the Yamaha P225 88-key digital piano. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The first thing that stands out when you sit down at the Yamaha P225 is the weighted key action. Yamaha has designed the keyboard so that the lower keys feel heavier and the higher keys feel lighter, mimicking the response of an acoustic grand piano. This difference in weight across the keyboard may sound subtle on paper, but in practice it makes a significant impact. When playing expressive classical passages, especially pieces that rely on dynamic control and touch sensitivity, the graded action provides a natural resistance that encourages proper finger technique. It does not feel overly stiff, nor does it feel spongy or artificial. Instead, it strikes a balance that makes practice sessions productive and performances convincing. The sound engine is where this instrument truly separates itself from entry-level digital pianos. Yamaha includes the sound of its flagship CFX Full Concert Grand, and that heritage is noticeable. The tone is rich, clear, and layered. Soft playing produces warm, intimate textures, while stronger dynamics open up into bright, resonant tones without becoming harsh. The decay feels natural, and the resonance modeling adds depth that makes chords bloom rather than sound flat. Through the built-in speakers, the sound is full enough for home practice and small gatherings. When connected to quality headphones, the detail becomes even more impressive, revealing subtle nuances in the sampling. What impressed me most is how well the piano responds to dynamic control. Many digital pianos struggle to translate touch into realistic tonal variation. On the P225, you can genuinely shape phrases. Pianissimo passages feel delicate and controlled, while fortissimo sections carry weight and authority. This responsiveness encourages expressive playing rather than mechanical repetition, which is especially important for students developing technique. Beyond the main grand piano voice, the instrument includes 24 different voices, including electric pianos, organs, strings, and bass sounds. While the acoustic piano tone is clearly the highlight, the additional voices are not throwaway features. The electric pianos have a convincing warmth suitable for jazz or pop. The string layers add atmosphere when combined with piano, and the organ voices are usable for casual experimentation or performance. The variety gives the instrument versatility without overwhelming the interface. The built-in speakers are surprisingly capable for such a slim and portable design. They project enough volume for a living room performance or rehearsal. While they will not replace a dedicated amplification system for larger venues, they are more than adequate for home use. The stereo imaging feels balanced, and the sound does not distort easily at moderate volumes. Portability is another strong advantage. The Yamaha P225 has a clean, compact design that fits comfortably into smaller spaces. It complements modern interiors without looking bulky or outdated. The lightweight build makes it realistic to move between rooms or transport to small gigs, rehearsals, or lessons. For musicians who need flexibility without sacrificing a full 88-key layout, this balance of size and functionality is valuable. The included sustain foot switch is a practical addition and responds naturally, allowing for smooth pedaling transitions. It supports expressive playing without the artificial cutoff that cheaper pedals sometimes introduce. The music rest is sturdy and functional, holding sheet music or a tablet securely in place. Connectivity and app integration enhance the overall experience. The ability to connect with Yamaha's Smart Pianist app makes adjusting settings more intuitive. Instead of navigating through complex button combinations, you can manage voices and settings through a visual interface. Rec and Share integration makes it easy to record performances and share them, which is particularly useful for students tracking progress or musicians creating content. These features feel thoughtfully integrated rather than tacked on. There are some realistic considerations. While the built-in speakers are strong for home use, serious performers may still prefer external amplification for larger settings. Also, players accustomed to high-end hybrid pianos may notice that, while the action is excellent for its class, it does not fully replicate the mechanical complexity of a premium acoustic grand. However, at this size and price category, the performance is genuinely impressive. Overall, the Yamaha P225 delivers a refined and satisfying playing experience in a portable format. The graded weighted keys encourage proper technique, the CFX Grand piano sound is expressive and rich, and the additional voices add versatility without clutter.